Good morning, folks. Thanks for tuning in today for another video. Finally was able to get down here at camp. As you can tell behind me, hadn't been down here at camp pretty much all summer. Every time I'd come down here I'd just get eaten up with mosquitoes and bugs and whatnot. So it's finally starting to cool down here in the south finally. And so I thought I'd come down here to camp today, make some videos. As you can tell, I'm probably sweating. My shirt is already soaked. It's only like 10 o'clock out here, but I've been working. I've got a fire going here, and we're going to talk about the reason for the fire and whatnot here in just a minute. But so yeah, so I thought I'd come out today and do a video. There's a challenge going around, and I kind of like doing these challenges and whatnot. This is a new challenge, and it was started by HAZEOUTDOORS over in the UK, and basically it's called Show Us Your Steak Challenge. So at first you may think, that's kind of odd, that's kind of funny, which it is kind of funny, you know, show us your steak. And but anyway, so let's talk about a little bit more about this challenge. So stay tuned. My name's Chris. You're watching Skills to Survive. Hopefully this will be a little cool video for you. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's talk about this challenge. Again, this challenge is called Show Us Your Steak Challenge, right? So basically what it is HAZEOUTDOORS has challenged everybody to get outside, get outdoors, and go make a steak out in the woods and talk about men's mental health. You know, a lot of us don't like talking about mental health and whatnot. You know, as guys, you know, we grew up, you know, thinking that, you know, we don't like talking about our feelings and whatnot. That's just kind of how we were, you know, raised and how we were taught and whatnot. So, you know, he really wants to get awareness out there, you know, for men's mental health and just mental health in general, you know, whatnot. So that's what yeah, that's what the video is all about. Alright, so why did Hazy start this revolution, I guess we should say, or hopefully this will get out there and it'll kind of go viral. Mental health is becoming a big thing nowadays. PTSD and whatnot, and not only just men's mental health, but just mental health in general. I mean, it could be, you know, women, the children, and whatnot. As I'm filming this video, Hurricane Michael just hit the coast of Florida last week. It's been a week, and it just devastated Panama City Beach, Mexico Beach, and whatnot. We liked to vacation down at Mexico Beach. That's one of kind of our favorite spots because it was always quiet. So you think after a disaster, you know, the mental health issues that are going to arise. And I guess just in general, I guess that's just how today's society is, you know, especially with guys in general. We were kind of always brought up to, you know, suppress our feelings, don't talk about your feelings and whatnot, but, you know, it's kind of something that, you know, guys really need to talk about. You know, being a first responder for so many years and whatnot, and riding ambulances and stuff, I've seen a lot and, you know, done a lot, and it's always been, you know, we never really talked about that sort of thing, you know. And it was odd that here recently I was actually having this conversation with my daughter. She's in college and was doing a psychology paper on talking about PTSD and whatnot. And she said, "Oh, you know, Dad, you know, firefighters and, you know, EMTs and paramedics and police officers, you know, you guys don't get PTSD that much." And I was like, "Really?" And we got talking. I said, "You know, I've seen things in my career that'll make your worst nightmares seem like fairy tales." I said, "You think about that for a minute." And she kind of stepped back, and, you know, we got to talking about that, and she said, "Well, you never really talked about it." I said, "You know, it's not something I really want to talk about. You know, it's hard for us guys. It really is hard to talk about that thing, or that sort of stuff. You know, the bad things that we've seen and whatnot, and maybe the bad things that we've done over the years. You know, so Hazy started this challenge, you know, go out and cook a steak over the fire and whatnot. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a good steak over the fire. I got a good New York strip. I got some a compound butter sauce that I'm going to put on it, and I got some bourbon. So I always have my bourbon, and it's like, I don't know what time it is now. I'd have to look at the clock. It's not even 11 o'clock yet, but that's what we're going to eat for lunch here in just a few minutes, or brunch. And but anyway, I'll put some links down below where you can, you know, if you're having some mental health issues or whatnot, or, you know, you just know that you're not alone. You know, we all live stressful lives nowadays. Trust me. I'm always stressed. That's why I like to come outside and get outdoors. That's, you know, I'm thankful now that it's cooling off and I can get outside and do these things even more. Get down here at camp, you know, start a fire and whatnot. And that's why one of the reasons I like making the videos, because it gets me outside and, you know, helps me kind of decompress. And that's what everybody needs. Everybody needs to decompress. You know, whether you go outside, whether you talk to somebody or whatnot, you need to do that. So, but anyway, I've kind of rambled on enough. I'm going to tend to this fire a little bit and start cooking up a good steak. So I'll stay tuned and we'll be right back. Look at that steak, boys. Like I said, as Scrambled O would say, look at that steak, boy. So yeah, so this is New York strip. I made a compound butter sauce, which basically, this is it's got real butter, and I mixed blue cheese, real butter, some herbs and spices in there, and yeah, so it's just sitting here. It's just fancy, because I didn't have a big fancy steak like HAZEOUTDOORS had on his channel. I just got a New York strip, which New York strip's still good cut. So also have some bullet bourbon. Again, it's 10:30 in the morning. So how many of you know or have seen somebody drink bourbon out of a canteen cup before? It's something new, or at least it is for me. I've never seen that done before. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to enjoy my steak and some bourbon, and after that I actually have a good cigar, and I don't smoke cigars much, and so I'm going to do that as well. So yeah, so thanks for watching, folks. So I want to tag 3 people. So like I said, we want to get this just challenge out for mental health and whatnot. So again, if you're, you know, you're not just guys, but you know, ladies, you know, join in too. Definitely ladies, and again, children, you know, get mental illness as well, suffer from mental illness. So that being said, let me tag 3 people. First person I'm going to tag, my buddy Prepared Wanderer. Wendell, get outside, show me your steak, buddy. Next person, Mr. Kenny from Ugly Tent. Buddy, get outside and show me your steak. Number 3 person, and this person I know doesn't watch my videos, but I'm going to have to tag him in an Instagram photo or something, so maybe he'll go and do the challenge too. Mr. COALCRACKER Bushcraft, Dan Wowak. You've been tagged, buddy. Show me your steak. Get outside, guys. You have 2 weeks. If you can do it within 2 weeks, get it out within 2 weeks. If not, don't worry about it. I hope you participate. I really do, because I think HAZE's trying to start something pretty good here, trying to spread awareness for the mental health, especially for us guys and whatnot. So, guys, get outside, get outdoors, go cook a steak. Show me your steak. If I didn't tag you in the challenge, doesn't mean you can't participate. Please participate. And if you do, comment down below so I can go and watch your video as well. And yeah, guys, go and check out HAZE's original video. I'll put a link down to his video below. I know Carlisle195 over in the UK did it. I know TA Outdoors did it, and I think TA Outdoors tagged Joe Robinette, so hopefully Joe Robinette will do his too. So anyway, guys, get outside, yeah, enjoy some good food, get some, you know, good friends, good company, and enjoy the outdoors. And thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you on another video real soon. And yeah, that's all I got to say today. I'm going to enjoy this steak. Let's cut into this here. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. See how that tastes. Oh, my steak falls. It's running away. Oh, man. Man, that's good.